Here are the 10 common mistakes to avoid in commercial lease agreements. Number 1, failing to clearly define the lease space and its boundaries. Number 2, not specifying the exact rent amount, payment due date, and the late fees. Number 3, omitting details about the security deposit, including the amount and how it will be returned. Number 4, not including a clause that outlines the responsibilities of both the landlord and the tenant regarding maintenance and repairs. Number 5, not failing to address related to subleasing assignment and termination of the lease. Number 6, not including a clear and comprehensive dispute resolution process. Number 7, not specifying the applicable laws and regulations that govern the lease agreement. Number 8, failing to address environmental concerns such as hazard, waste disposal, and compliance with environmental regulations. Number 9, not including a clause that outlines the landlord's responsibility to provide accessible facilities for people with disabilities. And number 10, not specifying the process for renewing or terminating the lease, including notice periods and renewal options. Thank you.